Hello and good morning, boys and girls. Here is your morning message for the day. Today's date is 5/8/20. Dear class, good morning. Today is Friday, May 8th, 2020. You will work with time today. What is one way your animal protects itself? Love your teachers. So I would like for you to think of the animal that you wrote about for science, for all of those assignments that we did, and I want to know how your animal protects itself. So let's think of a couple of examples. I don't think anybody wrote about these three animals, so I thought they would be good examples to help you know what I am looking for. So the first animal I'm wondering about is a turtle. What does a turtle have that helps it protect itself? If there's like a predator or something that's coming to try to hurt a turtle, what would it do? It would hide inside its shell, right? So a turtle uses its shell to protect itself from predators or to hide, because once it crawls inside its shell, it just looks like a rock to other animals. So the shell of a turtle helps it hide and helps protect it. It also helps protect it from being hurt, right? Because the shell is hard, like a bike helmet is hard and protects our head. What about a bee? How would bees protect themselves? What do they have? They would use their stingers, right? So bees could use their stingers to protect themselves. If there's a predator nearby, those black and yellow stripes warn the predator not to go near them, or else they will get stung, and getting stung certainly hurts. So that is how bees protect themselves. And then the last one I have is chameleons, those little lizards. How does a chameleon protect itself? Does anybody know? So a chameleon can camouflage. It can actually, its body changes color so that it blends in with everything around it. So if it is in brown dirt, it changes to brown. If it's in green leaves, it would look green. If it's in pink flowers, it would look pinkish. So a chameleon uses camouflage. That's two long words, chameleon and camouflage, two long C words to protect itself. And I can think of sometimes when humans would wear camouflage if they're trying to blend in the woods. They would wear camouflage, or people in the army wear camouflage as well to try not to be seen. So those are some ways that humans do things just like animals in order to protect ourselves. And that's what your science lesson is going to be about today. All right, friends, so give me a comment right under this morning meeting in Google Classroom and let me know what your animal is and what's one thing it does to protect itself. I hope you have a great day today, and I will see you next week. Bye, guys.